Uh, this training material in digital marketing is presented by Go Digital YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Shukla, and this course was originally prepared by my colleague and friend Bhavna Bhardwaj. She's an extraordinary, talented trainer and an expert in the digital marketing. And I have taken the material from her and just make a wrapper around it and presenting it to you so you can understand it. So, digital marketing is an important concept and it's a necessity of every business nowadays. So, let's go to the term, what it means. It comprises two words, the digital and the marketing. The marketing, we already know about it or have been doing about it for a very, very long time, even before the digital came into picture. Uh, so the marketing essentially means that you you are trying to reach out to the people, your customers, your potential customers, or can also they say that marketing means ways you make devices that people, your customers, potential customers, and all these people they come to you because when they come to you, there's a potential that they will be using your product, your services, and so on and so forth. So there is a two-way communication in between the people, customers, and your products and your services. And in the digital marketing, what we do is that we make people come to us or we try to reach to the people using digital media. And those digital mediums could be cell phones, it could be when someone is using a desktop computers and then they go on and search on Google for something and they are using the digital mediums. And when they are using that in those mediums and then they somehow come to you to know about your product, your services, then it's called a digital marketing. So digital marketing is nothing but marketing using those digital mediums. And every single business nowadays must be using digital marketing. We'll go to this briefly. Every business has a product or a service or an idea. And the idea could be, for example, you have a very new startup business, and then you have it's just an idea, but you need to reach out for example, maybe investors to convince him to invest the money in your idea. But if you are an established business, you may have a product. It could be you're selling a t-shirt, garments, the trucks, the cars, machines, and so on and so forth, whatever. Every single business is different. Pharmacy, so on. You could also have a service that you're trying to sell. For example, you are a very small plumber and you are trying to sell your plumbing services to the home or to the businesses. So in whatsoever be that case, you are trying to reach to the customer, and when you reach to those customers, they use their product, they use your service, or they are trying to invest into your idea. So those customers drive your profit. So if you have more customers, then you have more profit. So in order for business to grow, every business wants to grow, maximize their profit, so keep going up year after year, 10%, 15%, 20%, or whatever. So if by some way you can increase your customer base, number of the customers coming to you by whatever number of percentage, then your profit shoots up. So how do we reach out to the more and more customers? How do we make more and more people know about your product, your services, or your idea. So we try all different ways to increase those numbers. Give TV ads. We put up the hoardings on the very busy city squares. We give ads to the newspaper so people will read about it and then they know about it. We print out the pamphlets, older methods, still very useful in many cases. And then we have a newer ways to do the same thing, to reach out to customers. If we have a Facebook account, if I'm already popular, I can give a reach out to people using Facebook. I can send emails to make some people know about it. I can use a Google search and Google Ads, and so on and so forth. So these are the ways to reach the customers, and we reach more customers, then we increase our potential sales and then increase our profit. So, so increased customers leads to increased profit, and then that leads to the increase. So this is a simple equation that we need to always keep in mind. So we, most of the people today, they spend a lot of time on the digital medium. They get up early in the morning. The first thing they check will be their WhatsApp messages, their Facebook account, and then they could be reading news, and then they go to the office. They spend some time on their laptop, maybe desktop. Again, they are using a digital medium because people are using a lot of time on this digital medium. The digital medium becomes one way to reach those customers. So that's some brief about the the digital marketing, what that means and why it's essential. And then the next slide, we will go into some more details about it. And we'll keep covering something more, how do we increase the digital presence, increase your marketing efforts. Once again, thank you for looking at the Go Digital channel and keep looking for more.